Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, this is another video for Pabbly Connect users in which I'm about to tell how you can use number formatter feature of Pabbly to correct or format the payment details that you are capturing from any payment capturing application like Stripe or Razorpay. Okay, let's begin. So guys, this is the workflow I have created, and here I am capturing the payment from Razorpay application, and I'm going to convert that payment or format that payment using number formatter. So for the first time viewers, let me tell you that this is the workflow of automation that we have created, and you can create such beautiful workflows to create automation, to set up automation. And to do that, you have to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach the dashboard, and there you can create a workflow by clicking on create workflow button. And after that you will reach this page, and here you will see these two things, basically the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger or start the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As you can see here, our trigger is Razorpay applications payment captured option. Okay, so as and when we are going to capture any payment from Razorpay, that is going to trigger or start this workflow. And after that, what action will do? Action will perform a math operation and correct the payment details. Let me show you. So first of all, you can choose a Razorpay application from the list we have here. After that, select the trigger event like this, payment captured. So it will trigger this workflow when the status of payment is changed to captured. Okay, and it will give you this webhook URL. So by following these instructions written here, you can make this connection with Razorpay application with the help of this URL given here. And this URL is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So just follow the instructions and make the connection. Okay, so let me show you my Razorpay applications dashboard. This is it. And here is a payment page I have created for let's say gym training membership. This is a payment page, and we are in the test mode. Okay, and people can fill these details here and make the payment. So let's capture the this demo payment here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm clicking on recapture webhook response, click on yes. Okay, so after you follow these instructions, it will start showing waiting for the webhook's response. Okay, now when you fill in these details and make the payment, the details of the payment is going to be captured here. Okay, let me show you. So select the product. This is the amount of the training or the product, 350 rupees. Okay, so I'm filling the name of the person who is purchasing this product. Adil Rashid is the person. This is the email address of this person. This is the phone number of this person. Okay, and I'm clicking on pay. So we are in the test mode, and this is the test payment I'm making. So these are the test card details I'm putting here. Okay, and I'm clicking on pay here. So you can see the demo payment page is loading up here, and you can see the payment of 350 rupees is successful here via Razorpay's payment page. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this payment. And here you can see in this response, we got the payment details as this. It is showing us the account ID, the event as payment captured, and this is the payment ID, and this is the payment entity. And now you can look at the amount label. Now here it is showing the amount is 35,000, not 350. Guys, this is how the payment details got captured in Pabbly Connect without the decimal point here. So that's why it is showing 2 extra zeros here in the amount. So the payment actually was of 350 rupees, but here it is showing the payment as 35,000 rupees. So this was the user query, that how I can change this amount into correct amount. For that, what you can do, you can use this actions tab, and here you can choose number formatter feature by Pabbly. Select number formatter from here, and in the action event select perform math operation. So it will perform with the help of this you can perform any mathematical operations. So here what we want to remove these two extra zeros from this payment detail, okay, or the payment amount. So to correct this amount, you need to come here on the second step, and here you can see after selecting perform math operation and connecting it, it is saying provide the numbers. Okay, so here I am going to use this label, guys, payload payment entity amount label, and I'm going to map it here. So to map here, just click here, and you will find this razor pay step in the drop down, which was our first step, and from here only let me map this entity amount label like this. Okay, and here we want to remove two extra zeros, right? So how we can do it mathematically? By dividing this number by 100. Okay, so to perform this mathematical operation, you just have to put here a comma and type 100, and now select the operation as divide. Okay, so what it will do, it will divide this number by this number. Okay, click on save and send test request, and you will see the corrected amount in this result label. So now from this result label you can use the corrected amount to send in any other application, or for whatever the automation you are setting up, you can use this result label where you can see your corrected amount that you got from here, okay, from the payment page. Okay, so this is how you can use number formatter, guys, to correct or format the payment details you are capturing from any of your payment capturing applications.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.